Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, you might be able to spot it behind me. I have a special package to open from Black Raven Beads, and it is their new fairy tale collection. Now you might remember my YouTube video I did last year sharing their fairy collection. It was absolutely gorgeous. So enchanting and magical. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely watch that video because some of the pieces you might actually love working with this new collection, the fairy tale collection. And if you have heard the fairy word mentioned a couple times, there are some fairy beads in here. And as a lot of you guys know, fairies are one of my favorite things. They remind me of my late sister that passed away, and just the fairy theme is always just so sentimental and special to me. So I'm very excited to take a look inside of here, including the gorgeous fairy tale collection that we're going to be unboxing together. We're also going to be taking a look at the new Black Raven's bracelet, which I have not seen. I am so excited to see it, as well as two special Black Raven rings, which I didn't even know they did rings. So I'm really excited to take a look at what is inside here and at the fairy tale collection. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm actually enjoying some jasmine oolong tea from David's Tea. It is so delicious, and it's really been turning into my go-to tea. So I definitely recommend it. And I thought on a fairy tale theme, a little touch of jasmine tea. It's perfect, has some floral notes to it. So without further ado, a virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. All right, so here is a look at the fairy tale collection box. So if you purchase all the pieces together, it comes in this limited edition box, which is so beautiful. It literally gets printed, but it almost looks like it's been hand painted on the box. You can see a little fairy figure over here in the distance, and it says Black Raven Beads Fairy Tale Collection Set. It definitely matches the fairy box art that came out a year ago, which is so pretty. And then let's take a look inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here it says, thank you for your purchase. And then, oh my gosh, we lift this up. Oh my goodness. And we have all of the beautiful beads. They look so pretty, you guys. Here is what Black Raven Beads has to say about the Fairy Tales collection. From the whimsical charm of Thumbelina resting atop a peony rose to the daring adventures of Tom Thumb wearing the legendary 7-league boots, these beads transport us to the realms of imagination and wonder. Within these beads lies a profound life lesson, a reminder that the most incredible adventures often begin with the most minor steps. The first bead in the collection is called the Fairy Teapot House. It is so adorable, and it would match so beautifully with our teacup fairy bead. Black Raven Beads describes this as, in the cozy embrace of our home, we find shelter from life's storms and the warmth of belonging and the security of unconditional love. The next bead is called the Bellflower Fairy, and it features Thumbelina inside the beautifully shaped bellflower. I love the detail on her ears and on her face and her cute little bangs. Black Raven Beads describes this as, in the quiet embrace of a bellflower's petals, Thumbelina reminds us that within the smallest moments lies the greatest beauty and the deepest peace. I love how it's almost a dangle bead because of how it drops. It's so pretty. The next bead is called the 7-league boots, and it features Tom Thumb, and it really looks like the boots are in motion, like they're moving, that he's walking in them. It is so adorable. Black Raven Beads describes this as, embark on a journey that transcends your known boundaries, embrace the unknown, and discover the wonders that lie beyond the horizon. I love his little pointy hat, his cute expression. There's even detail on the bottom of the boots with Black Raven Beads logo. The next bead is called the Giant's Boot. It is a symbol of power and legend. Black Raven Beads describes this as, life's greatest challenges are not obstacles to be feared, but opportunities for growth, courage, and triumph. I love the boot detailing. It has everything on it, like the laces, even on the bottom of it. You can even find the little Black Raven Beads logo and the sterling silver 925. And look at the inside. You could technically wear this as a necklace pendant if you wanted to. The next bead is, of course, Thumbelina. She represents grace and wonder. Black Raven Beads describe this as, true beauty and strength often reside in the smallest details. Within the seemingly insignificant, we find the extraordinary. The details on her are so beautiful. I love her hair. You can see the little detail on the wings, the flower that she is inside, the little detail on the bottom of it, even the top of her head. Here's a look at the side detailing. It is such a pretty little shape. Here you can spot her little eyes and nose and mouth and ears. The next bead is called the Star Catching Fairy. The front mirrors the back. Black Raven Beads describes this as the weaver of dreams. Each star holds a story, a dream waiting to be released. The Star Catching Fairy teaches us that dreams are like stars, always present and waiting to be caught, even in the darkest of nights. Her dance among the stars encourages us to reach for our dreams, no matter how distant they may seem. The last bead is called the Moon Fairy, guardian of the nocturnal whispers. The Moon Fairy whispers the secrets of the night, reminding us that even in the quietest moments, the world is filled with magic and light. She is so beautiful. I love the moon detailing, all the little details on the little crescent moon. She has a beautiful little house that she's sitting on, and you can see little window details, some of the brickwork on it. It is so adorable. The front mirrors the back, and you can see the little side details of the moon here. It is so pretty. It definitely matches little star fairy, so pretty too. Now let's take a look at the next pieces. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the bracelet and the 2 rings. I cannot wait to take a look inside of here. All right, here is a look at the new Black Raven Beads bracelet. It is so gorgeous. It has a lovely weight to it. It has beautiful movement. It actually feels like it's gonna be really comfortable on. And I just love like the detail on here. The bracelet is called the Classic. Within the circle of a bracelet and lock lies the boundless strength of love and loyalty. You can also spot the Black Raven Beads logo, which I didn't notice until I was filming, and I love that detail. It's so cute. From the other collection, I grabbed the fairy lock, and she is just stunning. So I'm gonna add that on to their bracelet. I'm so happy they have a bracelet now. I was using another bracelet for my other pieces. So thrilled they have a bracelet. All right, so I'm just gonna add the lock onto the bracelet. There we go. So I got that. I don't know if it's going to show. I got that all secured onto the end there. It looks really pretty. So here is a look at the clasp, if you can kind of see it on the bracelet. So beautiful. And then I'm just going to show you. So basically on the little clasp details, you can see you can actually open and close it really easily. So you just push it down, and then you can just put the clasp on, and then there is your bracelet. Now I just want to add, I'm going to add basically all the sterling silver beads onto here. Not really going to do like a full design. I just want to see like all of them together on the bracelet. All right, so I went ahead and I added all of the new beads onto the bracelet. I put the little teapot in the middle and then the surrounding beads to go around. I kind of tried to do a little bit of symmetry. So I have the star and the moon on opposite sides, and I have the boots on opposite sides. These are so cute. I love how that looks. A little star fairy, the little moon, and then I have these 2 little ones over here. Oh, I just love how this turned out. So I'm gonna add this on to my wrist. Which way do I want the, yeah, I wanted the beads to go this way. All right, so I just added it on. Oh my gosh, all the beads look so sweet on here. All right, I'm now gonna go put the rings on. I'm so excited to see these. Here is a look at the rings. On the left, we have the cherry blossom ring, and on to the right, we have the Frangipani ring. Their details are beautiful. You can see on the bands of the ring, they have little like kind of stem branch work detailing. On the inside, you can find the 925 as well as little Black Raven Beads logo. Such a sweet detail to spot it. As mentioned, they're both made of sterling silver, and they're very sturdy. They feel very good on. They're very comfortable to wear. And in fact, I wanted to try stacking them. I'm going to share another little look at stacking them in just a moment. And here's one more close-up look at them. I feel like you could wear them stacked. They look so pretty stacked. What do you guys think? You can also, of course, wear them separately, which looks so beautiful too. They look so lovely. They just complement the bracelet, so pretty, and the quality of the sterling silver is beautiful. They're so strong and sturdy, and they just have so much texture and detail. I'm just blown away. Anyway, that is it for today's unboxing of Black Raven Beads' new fairy tale collection. If you can, because I find it quite challenging, pick a favorite bead or even 2. please let me know down below. I am just like, I have them all on my wrist right now, and I literally cannot tell you a favorite. I just love them all. I think they're so beautiful, and the quality and the weight of them, like the sterling silver, is just amazing. And a huge thank you to Black Raven Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, as well as this community, you. I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much, Black Raven Beads, and thank you so much to this community. I'm so excited to wear these for the spring and summer season. I definitely want to incorporate some touches of color with some Murano glass beads in this design. I think it'll look really pretty. Anyway, I'm wishing you all a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, and virtual cheers again. Why not? And I'm spilling the tea. Oh my goodness. Bye, you guys. Take care.